This caramelized onion and chili oil pasta got over 44 million views, and that was just on one video only. There's many, many more. We need to make this, but we're going to turn it into a Trader Joe's recipe. I had a revelation, and we're going to replace a couple of the original ingredients from the recipe with a very famous Trader Joe's ingredient. So let's start with our 2 onions, slice them thin, and get them caramelized. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of butter. Now, spread them apart once they're caramelized. Get in 1 to 2 tablespoons of the crunchy chili onion, and now add in a container of the garlic spread dip. That is replacing the heavy cream, the Parmesan. We don't need any of it. This garlic spread dip is just delicious. Use some of your spaghetti water to thin out that sauce to get it to the right consistency. Add in your cooked spaghetti. Mix it all together. And then we're just going to garnish it with some fresh parsley and some of the crunchy chili onion. And this is just as delicious as the original recipe, but even easier because we are all in Trader Joe's on a weekly and always grabbing that garlic spread dip. Put it to even better use and try this recipe and let me know what you think.